Hi first graders. For writing today, you are going to create a story using a setting, but coming up with your own characters. Now remember, characters are the people or the animals in a story. So on Charlie and the Octopus, our characters are Charlie and an octopus. I could also include his parents, maybe the mailman, maybe the penguins at the end if I'm going to talk about the end of the story. But that would be the characters in this story. The challenge for today is that you have to choose a setting and then put your own characters in it. So I'm choosing this kind of underwater setting. There's a treasure chest, looks like an anchor, maybe some like kelp or coral happening at the bottom, and then I'm thinking that these are waves, so those would be like blue water. I need to come up with some characters, and they need to be at least 2 characters in my setting, and then I need to write a 3-sentence or more story about my characters. Now the fun thing about creating your own characters is that it can be anything. If I want to make it a realistic story, maybe my characters are fish or sharks or other underwater animals. Maybe my setting is underwater, but my characters are not underwater animals. Maybe my characters are aliens or lions or people, and I have to tell a story about how they got under there. So I'm going to start by drawing my characters, and I think I'm going to do a non-realistic story, a fiction story. I'm going to use a red color pencil, and I'm going to start by drawing a person. But it's not just any person. It's going to be a queen. I'm going to give her a crown with this yellow so that we know it's a queen. And she needs some jewels on her crown. And she's going to be like kind of sad, which that tells me how I need to start my story. And then I also need to draw a second character, and I think this character is going to be a very large blue fish. And this fish is going to be looking a little happy. Maybe not happy, but like excited. Like, So here's my setting with my characters. Now I can really take my time and add more details and add more color, which is what you are going to do. But I'm starting with my queen and my fish. So now I need to write a 3 or more sentence story about my 2 characters. Why is there a queen underwater? How did she get there? I need to explain. So I'm going to start my story with a sentence that says, once upon a time, I already messed up, I didn't put a finger space. Once upon a time, a queen was captured by a fish. So I've already introduced my 2 characters in my story. I've got once upon a time, a queen was captured by a fish. I've got my capital, my period, and my finger spaces. The fish planned to eat the queen. That's my second sentence. So I'm already giving you a problem, because we know lots of stories have problems and solutions. The fish planned to eat the queen. Finger spaces, period, capital. Remember way back when we did our pond story? You had to come up with a problem for your pond animal and then a solution for that pond animal. Add that in your story. Once upon a time, a queen was captured by a fish. The fish planned to eat the queen. The queen used her crown to keep the fish away. There's my 3rd sentence. The queen used her crown to keep the fish away. Now I wrote my story on the back. You can use lined paper, or maybe you want to put this in your journal and use the lines in your journal. Now I only wrote 3 sentences, but I could definitely write more. The queen used her crown to keep the fish away. Well, what does that mean? Is it a magic crown? Is it because the crown is pointy? Is it because she used the crown like a cage to trap the fish? I can go on, and I really hope that you go on and on. Please be prepared to share your story in our next session. Bye.